Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to give admin access to Space in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come to the left-hand panel and choose your space. Still, I've clicked on this space right here, and now once this loads up, what I want you to do is come here, scroll down, right next to your space's name, you should see these three dots. I want you to click on it, and then just click on Space Settings, okay? Now, once you access space settings, on the left-hand panel, you should see more options. And I want you to go ahead and click on space access, okay? To get this dropped out of options, choose users, okay? And we can ignore this. This is to copy permissions from another space. Since we've already selected our space, this is irrelevant to us. Then just click on add people to this space. So we can go ahead and add to all the spaces or just this one right here. So you can click on edit, okay? And then you can search for internal users, okay? Right here, you just click on it and just search for them. And you can go ahead and add them as an admin or change their permission. So you click on them, click on add. As you can see, this one right here has all of the admin permissions right there. You just add them right here. Just toggle this one on and make sure you save it. Really that easy, and that is how to give admin access to space in Confluence.